Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariam if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a mango try on haul. I have some amazing classic pieces that I'm going to show you today. I think you're going to love them. Before continuing this video, I want to show you my new jewelry pieces that I got from Italo. So let's go unbox that and then we'll be back here to continue with mango haul. So this just came in from Italo Jewelry and I'm really excited to open it with you guys. First, can we talk about how Italo packages their jewelry? So clean, classy and totally gift ready. It was even prettier before, but my son removed the box that came with the package. So inside the package you get certificates of authenticity, air polishing cloths, and of course the jewelry tucked in this soft velvet box, which is so stunning. First is this golden channel set horseshoe ring, which is so cute. It's perfect as an engagement ring alternative or even just a statement piece. The horseshoe shape is all about good luck and the white sapphires are channel set for a clean and timeless look. I can totally see this becoming my signature ring. And now for the bracelet, look at this. This is the golden pair and round cut white sapphire bangle bracelet. It's gold plated and super comfortable. I love how it sits on my wrist, lightweight but it feels secure. This would look amazing with a formal outfit or layered with other bracelets for something more casual. If you're thinking about getting anything from Italo, use my code lifestyle20 for 20% off your entire order. I am so happy with the pieces that I got from Italo. The ring and the bracelet, they look so good on me. Actually, before I accepted the collaboration, I watched a lot of review on YouTube, TikTok, and even on their website to see if they are legit, if the quality of their pieces, they are really good as they say. The quality of the pieces in person looks so good, even from the camera, as you can see. Like, look how stunning is this, how shining the gold look, and look at the quality of this diamond detail. I'll give you guys an update after 1 month to see how the quality is holding up, but I think they're going to last me for a very long time. If you love timeless elegance with modern twists, you are going to love jewelry pieces from Italo. I am going to put the link of these bracelets and the ring in the description down below. So now let's continue with mango haul. Okay, we are back. The first thing that I'm going to show you is this one shoulder top. As you can see, I am wearing one shoulder top right now too. Even this I got from Mango last year. It was on sale. It was super cheap. I got two of these because I wear this all the time. It has really nice material, but compared to this one, it has a thicker material. I don't think if this one is summer friendly, especially if you live in Italy, you know what I mean. Here summer, it's summering. Like the hot in here is something else. You can't wear something like this because it's black and it's super thick. I was thinking it was a little bit lighter, but it's not. So we are going to try this on and see how it looks. But I really like the style of this, and the material actually is really good, even though it is not summer friendly. It was a 39.99 euro, but now this one is 19.99 euro, and I got this in size XX. So the top fits so nicely. I think I'm going to keep it. I was 100% sure I was going to return this, but after putting this on, actually it looks so good and it fits so comfortable. It's not too tight. You have enough room inside, which is perfect. I know this is not going to be like my summer top. It's more for like autumn or spring, and I wish it was like in white color, but I don't think if they have in white. On their website is only this black one, but I'll try to check that out before keeping it. So if they don't have in white, I am going to keep this. The next thing that I got, actually I have two of them here, are these Bermuda shorts. First, I am going to show you this one with this raw hem detail down. I really love Bermuda shorts. I got one from H&M last year in black. I wear that all the time, but it's not denim. It has tailored style. This time I wanted to try in denim and in white color. So I got two of them because I just wanted to see like how they look, because I wasn't sure which one to get. So this one, as you can see, it has raw hem detail down. I got this in size Euro 34. I hope it's going to fit well because I don't like my shorts to be like super tight. I like them to be loose. This one is not on sale. I got this for 29.99 euro. These other shorts, they look so good. I really like them. They are so comfortable, but I wish they were a little bit loose because I got this in size 34. I think I was supposed to get in size 36 if I wanted them to have that loose and baggy vibe. I advise you to size up with this one. I got this, as I said, in size 34 euro. Depending on the look you're going for, but I like my short to be a little bit like low waist because it's easier to style them with so many different type of top. The good thing about these ones, they are not like super high-waisted. As you can see, like let me show you from here. This is how they look. As you can see, they are not like super high-waisted. So these ones, they have a straight style. They have this nice lightweight denim material, so it's perfect for summer. The other one that I got is this one here. This one is high-waist, straight fit Bermuda short. I hope this one is going to look good on me because I prefer more this one because as you can see down the detail, this one is not raw hem. It actually has the same type of material as the other one. I hope it's not see-through because I can see my head from here, but we are going to try and see later. The good thing, it has two pockets behind, so it's going to cover everything if it's going to be see-through. Even this one, it wasn't on sale, you guys. It was 29.99 euro. These ones, they fit so nicely. They're super comfortable, and one thing I like about these ones, they are more loose compared to the other one, but the only problem about these ones, they are a little bit too high-waisted compared to the other one. These ones, they don't have the metal button around, they just have this one button front. The other one were more like a classic denim shorts. So far, these ones, they are my favorites. The next thing that I got, which is so simple but at the same time so classic and so beautiful, look at the back detail of this top. It has this like open detail behind with this 3 button. This one is 39.99 euro, and I got this in size XX. I'm glad I got this in size XX because I can see from here it's giving a little bit of loose fit. So if you're going to get this, don't size up, don't size down, just get your normal size. The next thing that I got, which I was super curious to try, I don't know if I'm going to like this, but I just wanted to try and see like how it looks on me. Look how stunning is this dress. It has this beautiful backless detail behind. As you can see, it has this detail down. The dress I got in size XX, it was 49.99 euro, but before this one was 69.99 euro. It has this very nice thick satin material, which is so beautiful. You can see the quality, that is really good. So I'm super curious to see how this one looks. I think a dress like this will look so good with like high heels. I don't think this is a simple casual dress. Maybe you can wear this casual, but I don't see it casual. Perfect for like dinner out or like a wedding. I have never tried a dress like this before. This one looks so cute. If you know my style, you know I'm super casual, so something like this for me, it's so different. I love how it looks, and I really like how this brown color looks on me. I normally go for like black, white, beige. I have nothing in brown color in my wardrobe, so this is my first time to try even brown color. I really love the back detail of this dress. You can pull this strap behind to have a little bit more tighter look. This dress is a 10 out of 10. Another thing that I got are these cute blue ballerina flats. I am so impressed with the quality of this flat. This is my first time to get flat from Mango. Actually, they have a really good material. I think I'm going to try more shoes from Mango because I'm so impressed with the quality of this ballerina. This one before, they were at 45.99 euro, but I got this for 29.99 euro, so very good price. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I am going to put the link of Italo jewelry pieces that I got in the description down below, plus all the pieces that I got from Mango. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next. Bye.